Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Transitioning from the open vistas of the river's edge back into the density of the city's commerce, you find yourself at the River Marketplace. This location is a modern tribute to the historic open-air markets that once defined Savannah's daily life. Long before the era of supermarkets and digital logistics, the city's pulse was found in its stalls and exchanges. This era captures that timeless spirit of the Hostess City, where the act of gathering to trade goods and stories remains a central part of the cultural fabric. The architecture of the market, with its open timber frames and rhythmic layout, mirrors the industrial heritage of the surrounding warehouses, creating a space that feels both nostalgic and vital. As you walk west towards the heart of the waterfront, the sheer verticality of the Savannah bluff becomes your constant companion. To your right is the river, a moving highway of global trade, and to your left is a wall of history. The buildings here are among the most resilient in the South, constructed of heavy Savannah Grey brick and local timber. They were built to withstand the humidity and salt and the passage of centuries. These structures were the silent partners in the city's rise to prominence, acting as the safes where the wealth of the region was kept under lock and key. Approaching the River Inn, you're looking at the masterpiece of adaptive reuse. This building, which occupies a massive footprint along the bluff, was originally a cotton warehouse built in the 1800s. Its history is etched into every uneven brick and heavy floorboard. The standout side is to see the factor's world in its purest form. The inn spans multiple levels, reflecting the unique topography of the city. While the lower floors open onto the grit and energy of River Street, the upper floors are lined with the sophisticated quiet of Bay Street above. The River Street Inn serves as a bridge between these two identities. It represents the transition of Savannah from an industrial powerhouse to a world-class destination for travelers. In the mid-19th century, the air here would have been thick with the dust of cotton and the shouts of labourers. Today it is a place of refined hospitality that refuses to hide its rugged roots. The preservation of this building is a testament to Savannah's philosophy that the past isn't something to be paved over, but something to be lived in. This section of the waterfront is where the city's commercial past feels most tangible. The narrowness of the streets, the proximity of the massive stone walls, and the constant movement of people create an atmosphere that is uniquely intimate despite its grand scale. As you reach the entrance of the inn, you're standing at a crossroad of time. You're surrounded by the same materials that built this city over 2 centuries ago, yet you're participating in its modern rebirth. It is a location that invites you to slow down and appreciate the craftsmanship of a bygone era, where every stone was laid by hands and every building was designed to endure. This is the enduring soul of the River Street, a place where history isn't just remembered, it's experienced.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.